Hello guys, if you wanna run the read option in Madden 27, you need to watch the defender who is assigned as the read player. Before the play starts, you'll see one defender highlighted, usually a defensive end. This is the player you need to watch after the snap. If that defender crashes toward the quarterback, keep the ball with your quarterback by holding the A button on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Your quarterback will then keep the ball and you can run in the direction of the play. But if the read defender stays in position or gets blocked, don't press anything and the quarterback will hand the ball off to the running back. So the main thing is to watch that read defender. If he crashes toward your quarterback, hold A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to keep the ball. If he stays in place, simply press nothing and the ball will be handed off to your running back. I recommend practicing this in practice mode so you can get used to reading the defender and making the decision quickly. Once you get the timing down, the read option can be a great way to pick up extra yards because you are making the decision based on how the defense reacts. So remember, if the read defender crashes in, keep it with the quarterback. If he stays in position, let the running back take the handoff. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.